Hello guys, in this video I will show you how we can use X Twitter AI. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do this. First, you must update your X app. After that, open it, tap on this icon, and now X AI is available. You can chat, generate photos, and analyze photos. For example, you can add your photo, or you can ask a question. As you can see, it generates answer for my question. Also, you can see related tweet about your question. Thanks for watching this video. If it's useful, don't forget to like, and for more content like this, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.